Hi, this is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi, back with another balloon tutorial. Today I'm in my pastor's office. It's Holy Week. I'm getting ready to do a show for the church. You can see it's really messy behind me. Sorry about that, but we're going to do the tutorial. Now, several months ago, I did a tutorial on a 2-balloon hat, and I said the next month we'd take it a step further, and I forgot. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do another simple 2-balloon hat, but I'm going to take it up a little bit and make it a little bit more fancy. When you blow up the balloon, you can leave a tail. Like here, it's only like an inch. Here, it's a couple inches. But you just want to leave a little bit of room just so you can do as we normally do. We squeeze the balloon, and what that does is that softens it up so that it's loose and it doesn't pop, hopefully, while we do the twisting. Now, the first thing you have to do is right here on the nozzle, make a small bubble, about a 1-inch bubble on each balloon, just like that. 2 small bubbles, and you just take them, twist them together, just like this. Now, I'll have to do it to myself, but what you would do next is measure your person's head. So you simply take it around their head, wrap it around, mark about where it goes, and see right there? Now I'm simply going to twist that. This is the headpiece, just like this. Now what we're going to do is, now we're going to make it a little fancy. And what we're going to do is, we're going to twist these together like a peppermint twist. And all we do is, watch my hands, I just firmly go around like this, and I keep twisting and twisting and wrapping 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 until I come all the way up here at the end, and I do another twist, so you almost have kind of like 2 small bubbles like we did when we started over here. Now what you're going to do, see your 2 bubbles on this side and 2 bubbles on this side? You simply bring this down like this and tie the bubbles together. That's right, just twist them together. Just like this. Then what you do is, you lift this up, you spread this apart, you put it on your person's head, and you have a simple, fancy twist 2-balloon hat. Easy peasy. This is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi. I hope you liked it.